Have you ever dreamed of making money while you sleep? Maybe even while lounging on a tropical beach, piña colada in hand? Well, I've got good news. It's not a dream, it's possible. And no, I'm not talking about winning the lottery or becoming an overnight crypto millionaire. I'm talking about digital products that generate passive income, even while you're binge-watching your favorite Netflix series. First on the list, ebooks. Don't worry, you don't have to be J.K. Rowling to write one. An ebook can be anything, from a how-to guide to a short booklet about a topic you're passionate about. Are you an expert in knitting, tech gadgets, or keeping plants alive for more than 3 weeks? Voila, that's your ebook. You write it once, and it stays online forever. The more people buy it, the more you earn, automatically. Next up, online courses. Knowledge is power, and you can use your skills to teach others. These days, everyone wants to learn something new, and you can be the one teaching them. Imagine teaching your cat yoga. Okay, that's a stretch, but you get the point. Once the videos are recorded, they generate income as people sign up, and you don't have to lift a finger. Third on the list, printables and templates. These are super popular, especially for planners, checklists, and business templates. Even if you're only good at drawing stick figures, you can still create a cool planner that sells. Once they're online, people will download them again and again. That's passive income magic. Number 4, stock photos, videos, or audio. If you have a camera or a microphone, you can make money by selling your content on platforms like Shutterstock. Whether it's a simple picture of a coffee cup or the sound of rain, there's always someone out there who wants to buy it. Last but not least, memberships or subscription services. Whether it's exclusive content, coaching, or a private community, people love being part of something special. Once the subscriptions are set up, the income keeps coming in every month. There you have it, 5 digital products that can generate passive income. Whether you're writing an ebook, designing printables, or creating the next big online course, the possibilities are endless. Before you start building your digital empire, don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring that notification bell so you never miss more online money-making tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.